What's up, guys and gals? So YouTube Studio on your PC now has the capability to make thumbnails for your videos. So we're going to test it out and find out how good of a job this does. Now this one might be a little bit tough. This is for one of my gaming channels. There's a game called CSR2 Racing, and the video is for crew recruitment for season 262 to help a bunch of the crews in the game find new members. So right under here in YouTube Studio, we can scroll down on the video and we'll find this little thing to add your thumbnails, and you'll see get suggestions. So we're going to click that, and YouTube is going to set here and it's going to think for a minute, and it does take a few minutes. So I'm going to pause this and it's going to make some thumbnails for me. And if they're not very good, I can kind of say, hey, I don't like this or I don't like that. What I've noticed so far is sometimes the thumbnails are amazing, sometimes they really suck, but the ones that come out good do come out really good. Let me pause this because this usually takes like 5 or 6 minutes. So we will be back and check out what it made in just a second. Okay, so if you look over here on the right, it made this Join Now season 262, and it's got this bright green Copo Camaro. That's a pretty darn good thumbnail. It put a logo for the game on there. The next one, Crew Recruitment season 262. That one's not as good. Now here's the third one. What's the difference? Okay, so the third one, these are really basic. It does not look like something AI made, but they're simple. They get the point across. Let me go ahead and say, how about this? Take the first one and add different text so people know it's crew recruitment. And then we will be right back in a second just to see what it does. But these thumbnails came out pretty damn good. All right, so it came back with Join My Crew. This is not correct. It's not my crew. It's all crews. I need basic crew recruitment. So let's go see what it does now. So basic crew recruitment, and it's taking a lot. It's making these a lot faster. So what I'm hoping it's going to do is take this thumbnail right here and just change the text to crew recruitment and not mess it up. So what I could do here is just take this and remove the text on Canva and then add my own text, because that's actually pretty good. If I click the download button, it will download that thumbnail for me. But let's see what it makes here. I mean, these are all pretty damn good for what they are. Join Now, season 262. All right, I just made a new one, crew recruitment. That's pretty good. It left out the season. So what I'm going to do is download that. And then I think I'm going to go over to Canva and just add 262 on it. So let me go over to Canva. Go ahead and grab this one. I'm just going to go ahead and delete everything here because we don't need it. We'll put this up here. We will type in crew recruitment. C-R-E-W. No, we want season 262. I'm going to find the downloaded file here, which is over here. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. So let's put this up here. But yeah, this is a great way to get some nice looking thumbnails. So we don't need this. We just need 262. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these letters. Canva's a pain in the butt sometimes. There we go. I wanted to move that, not the other thing. Please do what I tell you, Canva. Crew recruitment season 262. Now that doesn't quite look like me, but you know what? It's probably close enough. I could probably remove me. Let's see if I can do this. Let me go ahead and let's go over to edit. We are going to grab, what are we going to grab here? Let's go to see all. We're going to find magic grab. So we're going to grab this picture of me because I don't exactly love that. I'm going to hit grab, and now I can move this around or even remove it. So now that made that thing of me like that. So I don't really like that. Let me go and go over to the photos I already have of myself. I'm going to find me. I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. I'm going to hit background remover. And now we've got this right here, which that seems a lot more fitting, I would say. Let me go ahead and move myself over just a little bit so I'm not covering up the car. And that should be just about perfect right there. I think that's really cool. So thank you, YouTube, for pretty much getting me where I need to be. Crew Recruitment Season 262. I do wish the logo was a little better. So what we're gonna go and do is edit. We're gonna go ahead and do Magic Eraser. Actually, Eraser is up here now. So Magic Eraser. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. It will erase the little logo. I'm gonna hit Erase. Now I'm going to go ahead and just make that bigger logo I had on here much larger. So that's been erased now. Let me hit bring to front. Ba-bam. Whoops. There we go. Let's put that back. That's pretty darn good right there. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. 720. Ba-bam. And now I got a thumbnail for my video. So now I'm going to go back over to YouTube. I am going to find the thumbnail I just downloaded that they helped me make. So there it is. I'm going to bring that over. And now I've got a thumbnail. I mean, in some ways, the one YouTube made was a little bit better. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do an A/B test. And for thumbnail number 2, I'm going to go ahead and put in this one. Let's go ahead and open this one. And for thumbnail number 3, I'll just go ahead and pick one of these other ones that it made. So join now, season 262. Crew recruitment. I mean, that one's pretty boring, but we'll go ahead and choose that. So crew recruitment. All right. We got 3 thumbnails. Supposedly you get more views, or you have a potential for getting more views, because if it shows your video to somebody and they don't click on it, it'll change the thumbnail and show it to them again. If they don't click on it, it will change the thumbnail. So that gives you like 3 chances to get a thumbnail that strikes somebody's attention. So we're just going to go and go with that. We're going to hit save test. And my video is pretty much ready to go. So if I want to, I can also be like, hey, give me a better title and description and optimize that for getting clicks and CLICKS and SEO. Except for I can't spell worth a crap today. So you got the idea. Title, ba-bam. All right, so it's going to give me a title and description. I can ask it for tags. I can ask it to do all kinds of stuff. And supposedly you should get more views on YouTube by using these tools. I'm going to copy those. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of my video, and I'm going to go ahead and add those at the bottom. But bam, there's my hashtags. And I think we're pretty much ready to rock and roll. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. At 6:17 a.m. You know what? Usually I go ahead and just schedule these around 7 a.m., but it is crew recruitment day. So you know what? We don't really need that. Find your perfect CSR2 crew now. Season 262. Crew recruitment. I know it's a long title, but you know what? Find your CSR crew 62. People will see the main stuff. Find your perfect CSR true crew now. Find the perfect. How about that? Find the perfect CSR2 racing crew now. Let's just go and hit public. Done. And I need to make sure I've got the game title in here. Let me see if I did that. Do I have the game title? And yes, I do. I think I got monetization on, and save. But bam, there we go. There's our video. And honestly, it did a really good job at making that thumbnail.